Liverpool forward Mohamed Salah has expressed a strong desire to win the Premier League title.
Winning an individual award as a consequence of collective awards, is that a goal for you, a dream?
In the past, I used to go crazy for it, but I almost win many things, so thanks God for that. But yeah, I don't think it doesn't drive me anymore.
Mm-hmm.
I just feel like, okay, I just want to win, especially the Premier League more than Champions League this year. Premier League, be a big part of the team winning.
Stating that it outweighs its ambition for the Champions League this season. Speaking to TNT Sport and posted by sports journalist Fabrizio Romano via his X handle on Friday, Salah said, "I want to win the Premier League title more than the Champions League this year. I really want it. As a team, we want it." The Egyptian star also revealed on his perspective about being the best in the world, sharing a personal philosophy. Best in the world. It's tricky. People have different preferences. I always see myself as the best, and I want to give my best for the team, Salah said. Salah spoke highly of Liverpool manager Arne Slot, under whom he works. "Before I worked with Arne Slot, I didn't expect he was this good. Then we started working, and I am not surprised at all. He's great with details, great with small things. Doesn't have ego when he makes a mistake. He's great on tactics," he said, praising Slot's managerial skills. When asked about his votes for Vinicius Jr. as the best player in the world, Salah explained, "Vinicius Jr. is a very good player. That's why he's improving every year, and hopefully he can continue. I voted for him because he deserves it." Salah also revealed his football idol, citing legendary Brazilian striker Ronaldo Nazário. "My idol, Ronaldo Nazário," he told TNT Sports, highlighting the influence of the iconic forward on his career. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more sports news updates and trending stories.